Hi, and welcome back to the Cheeky Crypto Podcast. My name's Chris, and it's fantastic to have you back with us for another video. And in today's video, we're going to have a look at the latest news when it comes to cryptocurrency, the most important stuff that I've pulled out that I think everybody should be aware of. If you enjoy this sort of content, mash up the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, tapping that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video. And don't forget to jump in the Discord. It's absolutely free to join. Link is in the description of the video. There's over 5,100 people in there supporting one another, navigate this space safely. Definitely worth checking it out. Right, let's get down to the desktop. Okay, so we're going to start here on CoinMarketCap. Now, the total market cap of all crypto is up 2.51% at the time of recording at $852.94 billion. Bitcoin hovering just above $17,000. Now, it's up, 3.60% at the time of recording. Now, I do believe that this is really, off the back of the meetings today. We've had a little pump for the market. I do think that it will be short-lived. There's too much stuff happening in this space and in the world, when it comes to financial instruments, that we are likely to see further downside. So just be aware that, again, I've highlighted some scam pumps or misleading pumps in the market that, are potential opportunities to perhaps get out of positions if you wish to before lower lows come. So yeah, let me know your thoughts and opinions on the market in the comments below. One of the things that I do want to talk about, Kraken cuts 30% of their workforce amid crypto winter. So crypto exchange is laying off 1,100 people, sending the headcount back 12 months. So yeah, basically all those additional workforce that have gone into the exchange, has reduced by like 12 months worth. So this is something that, again, I've talked about a lot. We are, expecting to see more people being laid off from work. I don't think that we've seen the last of this sort of stuff. This is just in crypto, but we have seen Google, we've seen Amazon and various other big companies lay off tremendous numbers of staff. Even I think Facebook was 11,000, may have been more. So look, this is something that I have been highlighting. We're going to see more and more of. And again, we're going to see lower prices. I just can't see it being any other way. Moving on, and we've got UK high street banks are quarantining from cryptocurrency once open to customers using their accounts to trade in cryptocurrencies. UK high street banks now see them as one risk asset too many. So this is something that I talked about when Santander put I guess caps on the amount of you can buy and sell. Turns out that they've even put complete bans on certain companies like Binance, for example. You can't withdraw if you haven't set up the account, because you can't add the account, and you can't send to Binance. There's they're citing the fact that it's not regulated by the FCA. All this sort of stuff. Now, what I have said about this is expect more of this. I expect, retail to be, forced out, because I have mentioned that I do believe that cryptocurrency, blockchain technology is going to be the biggest transfer of wealth in history. So it's going to be made very, very difficult for us to get involved in it, whilst, the big money, the smart money that isn't actually that smart, gets in late, but forcing retail out. And I think this is happening in many different ways. One is the banks not allowing people to make those purchases, meaning that your VCs, your companies are going to be able to go buy that all up on the cheap. And then obviously the recession that we're in, inflation, cost of living, everything going up. All of these things are going to compound, loss of jobs. Eventually, people aren't going to be able to maintain the debt that they've got, and they will lose their homes. And at that point, after all that has happened, I think we'll start to see a U-turn. I think 4 to 6 months and the bottom's in, and then we go on that recovery path. That is kind of my views and opinions on it. Obviously, this can change over time depending on what happens. But I do think that, once that has all played out and it bottoms out and everything starts to go on that recovery path, I do think those money printers will start back up again. And you know what that means? That means asset prices are going to go through the roof. So crypto for me and blockchain technology is here to stay. And I think, it's something that people should be very aware of. Binance acquires regulated crypto exchange in Japan. Some real positive news worth mentioning. Moving on, and we've got crypto trader misses payments on DeFi loan as FTX contagion spreads. We are going to see more and more payments being missed and loans being cashed out, and people failing company wise. So look, this is stuff I expect to see more of. And Gemini and Genesis are more projects that are looking to get funding. If they don't, then they're looking to also go down. So look, let's just be really mindful that there's more contagion to come. Moving on, and we've got London Court orders 6 crypto exchanges to share client details to assist in a 10.7 million fraud case. So more fraud is kind of the thumbnail and the title for this one. And the unnamed crypto exchange traced 1.7 million of stolen funds after being hacked for 10.7 million. And the court has ordered this information to be shared. So lots going on, and I think they should share it. Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, mash up that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, tapping that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care.